Hi, I am Shreya. Welcome to Funful Art tutorial. Today we will learn how to shade a lip. So first of all, I have drawn a lip through very simple steps. You can draw from Google. You can also copy my drawings. So first of all, we have to remove the lines with eraser. Now we will take 2B pencil and we will do contour shading here. It's very simple technique and easy technique. I have published many videos for you. So if you like them, please follow me and please subscribe me, and also with this, please like the video if you like and practice it, and you can send me your entries also on email that is given in your description box. Now we will blend with a paintbrush, or we can use an alternative earbud. We are using a soft paintbrush. I am blending with the earbud with soft shading. Now we will take 2B pencil and shade the upper lip. We have done shading the lower lip. Now we will shade the upper lip. If you are new on this channel, go there is the playlist of new here with all the videos for beginners. We will blend this. You can use blending stump also in place of soft paintbrush. Now we will take 4B pencil and start shading at the same way we have done by 2B pencil. The technique of shading is contour shading. Remember, this is a contour shading. I am using a soft paper shading pencils, that is 2B, 4B, 6B, HB pencils, shading tools or blending tools like earbud, paintbrush. Now we will do the upper lip at the same way. The upper lip is quite dark. You have to know that when we shade a lip, the upper lip is quite dark in contrast to the lower lip. Now we will blend with a paintbrush. Now we will take 6B and draw this line, and we will create a shadow under the upper lip like this. We are using 6B pencil here, and also we will create a shadow under the lip and above the lip. We will blend this with an earbud. Now we will take HB pencil and create texture. We have seen cracks and wrinkles on the lips, so we will create these cracks on the lip so that it looks realistic. It's a very simple technique we are using here. Now we will use needle eraser and erase some parts of the lip so that it looks shiny and glossy. So we have done. Now it's time for details. Thanks for watching this video, and you can send me entries on the email in the description box. If you are new, please subscribe my channel Funful Art.